actually marks like, so we get a couple bad records. Even B. Gale had like a couple bad ones, like sketchy records where I was like, oh fuck, is he gonna be alright? Yeah, I can't even believe it. That's why, right? Like I could have turned it off at the bottom of the hill. Like, look, guarantee a fuck. Okay, I was gonna say, if that was a Yachty bottle, I would have roared. Like I could have turned it off at the bottom of the hill because we were done the hike, but you always got to be rolling it. That's like you're just like, oh, I'll save the battery power till I get to Lewis Hills, and then something fuck happens on the trail. Moose pulls out and hits you, man. Fuck, gang. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, I just smoked myself with that, dude. Like, smoked myself with it. Oh, man, like, right off this, like, just broke it off and everything, man. Oh, and then I almost got it in the car. I gotta get out of this, man. I gotta get away from this. Look at that fucker. I'm not grabbing that. It'll ruin these. There's fucking snow and everything down here. I just gotta get out of this altogether. I gotta get the fuck out of this, man. Like, this is it. I'll never go on foot again. I'll hover around. I don't give a fuck. Oh, this day isn't over yet. That's the worst. I wonder if we could get up that. You think if we got up right there, you could get up that? Oh, it's too sketchy, eh?
Go for it.
No, it's too. It's too sketchy. No, it's too sketchy. We'll be killed, eh?
I would.
But we'll be killed, though. Yeah, pretty much, right? I can't move. Oh. Oh, we're coming back to this fucked up part again. I should have went up around now. I don't think I can get back over there, man. I can't do it. I gotta go through the woods. Oh shit. Oh shit. No, I can't be at it, bud. I just legitimately can't be at it. Whoa. I'm not even stepping on it in here, am I? Holy f... And that's gonna go. I don't even want to be on this mossy shit by the edge. Cause look, that's slippery as old fucking cunt too. I don't know where the fuck I gotta go. This is just getting more fucked by the second. Pretty sure I'm gonna go back out on the rocks. Yeah. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. What the fuck is that? Ah! Came back and hit me in the back of the leg. Oh. I can't even be at it. Fuck. No. Oh. No, that's even too much for me. Cause they taste so rotten when they're even a bit damp.
I can't, but the butt is damp on that one though.
Don't even give a fuck. I got no later. I'll save you a puff. I need to have a smoke before I goes up this, right? Like, I'm already in shit, so, you know, I'm fucking soaked there. Cock, soaked ass cheeks are wet, rubbing up against each other and everything, right?
Oh, look at him right by the line, bud.
Oh, I know.
Back on this side, careful.
Legs got right weak and everything. get her going, buddy. Am I letting her on the right end? Nope.
There's a birch tree down there that we passed it. Remember I climbed it in? Goes right out, we passed it.
Oh, yeah. I just took a big drag of that and water came out, man. The water came out like rigging a sock. What a nice cool hit it gives you though. It's a nice cool hit. Maybe a new thing. Dip your filter in the water. Yeah. I'd say the same thing if you were nuts, you could probably get up by there free climbing.
You were nuts, yeah.
Guaranteed there's... Yeah, that's one thing. But I guarantee professional free climbers can do, there's people in the world that can't do that as a burnt thing. Way more nut stuff than that. Look at the butt. Something healthy for you. You gotta drag on her to get something though, but she's good. It's a nice cool taste. You get a little moisture in your mouth while you're taking a hit of your smoke, just for the extra, make you want to puke.